Hi everyone, my name is Christian again with Land Rover Jaguar Naperville, located at 1559 West Ogden Avenue. Today we're going to be doing a model clinic on the Land Rover Defender. This is a 22 model, the 110S. Basically, we're just going to go a quick overview of the car, show you some cool features on it, and go from there. So today we have the 2022 Land Rover Defender, like I said, the 110S. The 110 is the 4-door. You can also get it in the 90, which is a 2-door. Either or, it doesn't matter. This one is actually the 4-cylinder. You can get it a 6 or an 8. Prices start at $55. This one's listed at $66 with the S. So this one is actually Santorini black with the ebony interior. We'll walk around here. 22-inch style wheels, 5-spoke wheels. So with this Defender, it's pretty cool. It's basically shadowed off of the original Defenders. That's why you get the very boxy look. Some of the side pieces here will carry over. So if you remember from those old Defenders, you're going to get a lot of it, just very modern here. So we'll take it away from the rear. You've got a full-size spare in the rear here. Show you the trunk. So with the 110, you can also get a third row. This one's not equipped with it, but you get more room down here. Pretty cool. Another thing with the third row versus not having it is going to be that these seats in the middle will fold flat down if it does not have it, and I'll show you that here. Another cool part about this door, so other cars that actually have a big door like this that open this way, it's kind of hard to open and close them, but they kind of thought about that. So you also get soft closed doors standard, see? Just because that heavy spare tire in the back will sometimes make it hard. So the soft closed door is super nice. And then we'll kind of go back here. So this is the rear entertainment here, the rear seats. You get these cool Land Rover clip and goes. You can add a coat hanger, an iPad. That's why they also give you another charging point here. So another thing about this car that a lot of people like is that it is charging galore. There's 4 chargers there in the back seat. There's 2 more in the trunk here, and just like 3 more up front, so it's pretty awesome. Another thing that we like to point out are these cool Safari-like windows up there. So it's on both sides of the car. Everyone loves to see that. So another thing I always like to point out too, just like I said, these seats will fold flat down. So basically what you're gonna do is look for this tab here. You're gonna pull this. You gotta fold the headrest down and fold the seat down. Like I said, this is only available if the car does not have the third row. So the benefit of not having third row would be that these go flush if you need that. And it will be the same on the other seat. And you just pull this tab up. There you go. So that is the rear seat here. And then we'll kind of work our way inside as well. Alrighty, so inside the cabin here, it is very modern. So you get the off-roading look on the outside, that's what they went for, but you get the modern look on the inside. So it's almost like an on-roading, off-roading car, 2-in-1. So you're going to get this Pivot Pro 11.4-inch screen here. It works very, very well, and it's a lot quicker response. You get these cool, grab handles, another charging port here, USB-C. So those of you who have the newer phones, they did think of that. If you look down here as well, USB-C, standard USB, and then just a 12-volt outlet. So there are chargers basically everywhere in this car, as well as a wireless charger and a cooler. So the cooler has 2 settings of, I guess how cool you want it to be. 2, 1, or off. So you can put little water bottles in there, any type of soda, doesn't matter. So with this whole center console here, it's pretty cool. When you're configuring your car, if you want to build it, you can also basically have this all go away and get a third jumper seat in the middle. So you can have 3 seats in the front if you want that. So there's a couple options that you can do with this car. This car doesn't have it, but if that's something that you're interested in, you can definitely do that. You also get this very nice steering wheel here. Everything feels right when handling. Controls to display the info panel in here, volume, voice command, lane keep assist, cruise control, basically all your basic features in there. Windshield wipers are automatic, headlights are automatic, and basically everything you need inside the car. All right, everybody, that was the 2022 Land Rover Defender S. If you're interested in the vehicle, make sure to come in for a test drive. We'd be more than happy to show you the vehicle. And follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Jaguar Land Rover Naperville. We're located at 1559 West Ogden Avenue. Hope to see you there.